My name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about the topic. It's called surface area for prism and cylinder. So first I'm going to discuss about the prism. So the triangular prism. So it looks like look like this. So this is a prism, and if I say this is 10 centimeter, okay, and the width is 6 centimeter, all sides 6 centimeter, okay, and the height of this triangle is 4 centimeter. So find the surface area for this prism. So surface area for this prism, how we can work out? Okay, very simple. Okay, 2 bracket half base time height plus 3 times length times width. So this is the formula for surface area for prism. So it means this formula is for area for triangle. If you remember, yeah? The area of triangle. And this is the formula for area of rectangle. Very simple. So it means 2 times the area of triangle and 3 times the area of rectangle to get the area of surface area for prism. So it means there are 3 rectangles and there are 2 triangles in prism. So look at this one, okay? So there is one triangle and this is second triangle. So if I say one triangle there and how many? 1, 2 and 3 and then triangle. So we need to find the same as the area of triangle first and the area of rectangle. So surface area of prism 2 half times base time. Base is 6 centimeter and the height for this triangle is 4. So base time height plus 3. How many triangles? There are 3 and the same formula, okay? What? Okay, this is the length and this is the width. So length time width. So width is 10 times 6. So it means 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so 12 times 2. Okay, and 10 times 6 for the area for the one rectangle is 60. And so how many are triangle? There are 2 triangles. So 2 times 12, which is 24. And 60 times 3, which is 180. So it means for surface area for this triangular prism is 204. 204 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of prism. Very simple, okay? So there are 2 triangle and 3 rectangle, okay? So you need to find the area of 1 triangle, then you times by 2, and you find the area for rectangle times by 3, and then you add together to get the total surface area of prism. Now I'm going to move quickly for surface area for cylinder. So very simple, surface area for cylinder. You know about the area of circle, okay? The same as this is a cylinder, yeah? If I say this is a cylinder, and the height for this cylinder, I would say, is 10 centimeter. And this is the radius, and the radius is r, which is equal to 2. Okay, so the radius is 2. We need to find the surface area of cylinder. So there are few steps, okay? How many circles you can see in this cylinder? There are 2 circles, okay? So what first we need to find the area of circle, okay? So area of circle, which is pi r square. So the pi value is 3.14. And r is, I would say, 2 square. So 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 1, 4. So it means 3 times 4 is 12, and 14 times 4 is 56. So it means area of circle is 12.56. How many circles are there? Okay, there are 2 circles are there. Okay, so how many circles? 2 circles in a cylinder. So we can do 2 times 12.56. So 12 times 5, 2, which is 6 times 2 is 12, 5 times 2, 10, 11, 2 times 2, 4 is 5, and 2 times 2 is, so 25.12. We found what? We found the area of 2 circle, which is, I can write 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square, which is equal to 25.2 plus the area for this height. It looks like that, okay? If I go for the area for cylinder and look at this one, okay, is the same thing, okay? So the height for this one is 10, which we know, and this is circumference, okay? Or we can say the perimeter of circle, okay? So perimeter of circle, which we don't know. So we need to find the perimeter of circle of circumference of circle, which we know that, okay, so circumference of circle, which is pi diameter, okay, and that diameter, we know that the radius, double of radius is diameter. So what? Simply what you do, 3.14 times 4. So same, 4 times 3 is 12 and 14 times 4 is 56. So it means 12.56. This is the circumference of circle, okay? So it's like, you know, this is the circumference, okay? If I unfold this one like that, so the whole circumference of this circle is 12.56. And then you times by, so it means, okay, circumference of circle times h, which is height. And the height, we know that 10 times the circumference, which we already found, 12.56. So we need to add these two values. So 125.60 plus 25.12. So it means this will be what? 150.72 centimeter is a surface area of cylinder. So this is the surface area of cylinder. So what we do, okay, in cylinder there are two circles, okay. So what I did, okay, pi r square, so which is the area for circle, the answer you get 12.56. There are two circles, okay, so times by 25.2, and I substitute this value to here, okay. So surface area equal to 2 pi r square plus height pi and d for diameter. So 2 times circumference of circle. So it means I can write down like what? 2 times area of circle plus air circumference of circle times height. So this is the surface area for cylinder. So 2 times area of circle plus circumference of circle times height. So same I did here, okay. So first I found the area for circle times by 2, which is 25.12, and then I add circumference of circle times, which is height, okay, and to get the answer 125.60. So altogether 150.72. So this is the surface area for cylinder. So very simple, you need to just substitute the values, and you need to remember the value of 3.14 for the pi, and as you know, the radius is just the half of diameter, and diameter is double of the radius. So that's it for today. So if you like my video, please leave your feedback and see you in the next video. Bye bye.